Today I will show you how to make the video shorter. After that I will show you how to cut a piece out somewhere in the video. Press on the selection tool or press the letter V on your keyboard. Slide the marker to the place where you wish to start the video. You can just slide the video to the marker. You will see an empty space at the beginning. You can slide the entire video to the beginning of the timeline, or you just right-click on your mouse and choose Ripple Delete. Now I show you how to cut a piece out. First slide the marker where you wish to begin to cut. After that, you go to the razor tool. Or use the letter C on your keyboard. With the razor tool, you can cut the video wherever you wish. Use the marker, so you can see exactly where you cut. Slide the marker to the second place where you wish to cut. And cut it. After that, you can go back to the selection tool. Or you can use the letter V on your keyboard. Just right-click on the section you wish to delete. When you have done this, you find Ripple Delete. It will delete the piece you wish to cut out and also delete the space between them. Did you find this video super helpful? Then don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. I will leave a comment or I will just make a video about it. Thank you all for watching.